Okay, you're gonna sing your ABC?
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABC. Next time, won't you sing with me?
Oh, that was great, Preston.
Yeah.
Do you want to say? Do you want to say hi to anybody?
No.
No.
I'm a little mommy.
Do you want to sing Hubba Hubba Zoot Zoot?
No.
No. Do you want to sing Thomas? No. Okay.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye, guys. Bye, everybody.
Say.
Bye. See you.
Now, where are you going today?
Williamsburg.
Williamsburg. And what are we going to get there?
Just whip it.
What?
A gibbet.
A gibbet?
Yeah, a zipper pull.
Oh, the zipper pulls. That's right. That's where we got your Preston zipper pull.
You, what do you, what go with you, what, where we have that go with you.
All right. See you later, alligator.
See me,